After you've answered a question, make sure you acknowledge that question. I was at a presentation recently where the presenter said, okay, after every single question. Okay, and it sounded something like a judgment, something like a challenge. I've also heard presenters say thank you to every question, which starts to sound fake. So what you need to do is make sure that you're acknowledging every single comment, every question, in a way that sounds appreciative, not condescending, not dismissive, and not evaluative. So you may want to say something like, okay, okay, okay. Stay connected to the entire audience when you're answering your question. Just because one person asked the question doesn't mean everybody else doesn't want to hear the answer. They probably do. So give eye contact to everybody else in the audience as you're answering the question. Keep looking back at the questioner to make sure that they're following along. But when you're done, land your eyes on somebody else to make it clear that it's time for somebody else to ask a question.